Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. So if you want to do it, first you need to have created correct columns. For example, I'm using here date, name and sales value. So we have here date of the sale, name of the person who made the sale, and sales value of the products which this person sold. Okay, so now if you would like to create a pivot table from this data, you need to select all columns and data. And after that, you need to go to Insert, you need to go to Pivot Table, and here I recommend you to select this one option, New Sheet. After that, we need to click Create button, and here we have 3 suggested options, sum of sales value for each name by date, then sales will be grouped by date. You can change here rows order if you want. On default it is set to ascending, but you can change it maybe to descending if you want. The another option is sum of sales value for each date by name. Then our dates will be rows and our columns will be names. It is a very great option if you would like to check which person has the most sales each day, and if you want to check sum of all sales by each day. And the last option is sum of sales value for each name. This option will let you to check which person has the biggest value of sales. My favorite option is first one or second one. So for example, I will check the first one. Then you can easily control sales for each person each day. Remember that you can always try to add filters to this data. So if you want to do it, you need to scroll down and click Add button. And you can now filter by date, name or sales value. For example, I select here maybe date. And now you will see here this one information showing all items. If you want to filter it, you need to click on this arrow. And now if you want to filter it by one date, we need to uncheck other dates. So for example, I will uncheck this date, this date, this date, this date, and maybe this date. I want to have the results from the 5th February of 2025. So I have only this option checked. And now I click OK button. And how you see, we have here information and data filtered to this one date. So in this way you can easily create a pivot table in Google Sheets. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a fair problem.